Take it on your camera phone. Get a little bad. You watch me blow down.
For all of my subbies, welcome back. And if you're new here, hey girl. Today I'm gonna be doing a updated home decor video for you all. It's been literally not even a year yet. Basically, for those of you who are new here, last year we did purchase our first home, and shortly after that I did do a home decor update video. But it's been almost a year now. We in year 2023, so I've moved some stuff around. There's been a lot of changes, so y'all get to see what I've done with the place. But before we get into the goods, before I show y'all around, I'm gonna need y'all to click that subscribe button, okay? Because I guarantee you're gonna want to stay. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell so that way you can see when I post videos. Now, before I show y'all around, I want to show y'all this new exciting feature, okay? Now, there have been a lot of different updates I've done to my home, but one of my favorite updates is lighting. Y'all know, those of you who aren't new to my channel, y'all know your girl loves lighting. Whether that be lighting for under my cabinets, lighting around my TV, and so forth. So this company called ASOKO Home Lighting sent me some lighting. This lighting can go whether it be under your cabinets, even in your closet. It's motion sensor for one, so whenever it's dark, it'll automatically turn on, y'all. Like, so freaking cool, right? And it's also dimmable and also renter friendly. So even if you don't have a house, you have apartments, and it can be a pain when you have like strip lights and you're trying to, you know, bring that with you and you're trying to take that off with the adhesive and everything. This light is very much renter friendly compared to other lights. So I unboxed this light. So this is what the light looks like. It's dimmable here. I'm actually going to show you all how it works, but let me show y'all. So this light actually has an on and off switch. On, off, and auto. So I switched it on, and this is what it looks like on. And then you place your hand here, and that's how you dim it. And then you can brighten it like so. Isn't that freaking cool, y'all? So I was like thinking like, oh, this would be great under my cabinets, but I already have lights under my cabinet. So I'm like, I always wanted lights under my bar, so I'm definitely gonna install this light under my bar. And it also changes too. So you see this little, it looks like a fingerprint there. This is what you press to brighten it up and dim it. Then if you press it, it changes the pattern of the lights, y'all. That is so freaking cool. And then with auto, it's like motion sensor, okay? So like if it's dark, for instance, the light will automatically come on if it's auto. And then you can just turn it off, but right now I have it on. But yeah, let's go ahead and install it. So this company did send me one of these, but I actually like this so much that I'm actually gonna purchase 2 more. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on a setting that I like this light a lot. This came with an adhesive. Let me show you what the adhesive looks like. So this is the adhesive, y'all. So it has this part here, and then this is the sticky part. So it's a magnet. These things on the back of here are magnets, so you want to stick it like that. And then do the same for this side. Okay, so let's move these bar stools out of the way, because I definitely want it to be in the middle, the center. And I'm also going to put it on auto because I do want to show y'all the motion sensor function when it gets dark. So this is the nighttime view, and this is me walking past my bar at night. Guys, this product will be linked down below, and make sure you put in this code when you make your purchase.
So this is my office, my workspace, the place where I make content. Firstly, I want to show you this ladder shelf that I got from Amazon. Also, here's an overview of my work area. And I also got this clothing rack from Amazon. It's perfect for when I do my try-on hauls or my lookbooks. And the shelves on this rack are a great addition because it's perfect for clothing pieces or decor pieces. Having a mirror in my workspace is definitely a must, and it also came from Amazon. Now this is considered my workspace, my work from home space, my editing content space. And this wooden desk or table came from Amazon. I also have this chair, this desk chair rolls, and it also came from Amazon, and it is quite comfortable. And this decor piece on my wall, this was a housewarming gift. It came from Ross. And I just think that it's a great accessory in this office considering my accent color is gold. I also decided to stick some faux pampas grass in my vases. This actually came from Shein, so I bought like maybe 6 of them, although these vases could use more. This is something that I got from Burlington. I'm not lucky. You have no idea how much I've prayed. That's something I've had for a long time. These vases actually came from Exclusive Furniture. Exclusive Furniture is the place I went to purchase my master bedroom king bed. So for those of you who have seen my first home decor update, y'all have seen my bed already, so y'all may want to check that out. These are just some blazers that I stick here just in case I do on rare occasions have to get on camera and I want to look presentable, but most of the time your girl don't have to get on camera. Now this is an artificial plant that I got from Amazon. It is known as the banana plant, and I got the vase from Amazon as well. Now let's go ahead and take a look on how I decorated my shelf. So these two things were actually gifted to me. She believed she could, so she did. That's my favorite quote. So I got a book with a whole bunch of different quotes in it, very motivational. And this used to light up, but I think I've just worn out the batteries at this point, but it's still cute decor. We also have a faux plant here because greenery just makes the room better. Even though it's fake, it makes it aesthetically pleasing. I actually got these gold decor pieces from Walmart, $1 something each, and I just think it matches perfectly with the decor piece for my desk. Now this cute decor piece I got from Burlington, and I also had it on my previous shelf at my previous place of a residence, and oh, I still got the price tag on it, only $6.99. Over here we have this Paris decor piece. I'm not sure where I got it from, but I've always wanted to go to Paris. And then this book is a good read. I'm not quite done with it yet, but I definitely recommend. Now this decor piece also came from Burlington, and this candle I got from Target. Okay, they got different signs, different candles. I also got this cute piece from Shein and this faux flower from Target. Next, these 3 vases also came from Burlington. I know y'all seeing a trend here. And where the green sprigs come from? Target. Now in this corner, these are the lights that I like to film with. I actually got these from Amazon. Now this credenza I actually got from Amazon because I needed some place to keep my files, my little tech equipment in. These little cubes make it so easy to organize your things, and you can find these cubes anywhere really, whether it be Target, Walmart. I think I even recall seeing some at Kroger of all places. But yeah, this thing is very spacious and I love the appeal of it. Perfect for an office space or even a living room area. Now off to the living room we go. This painting I actually got from DD's Discount. It's perfect for my living room because it's gold, gray, and white. This mirror actually came from Burlington. Now that we're in my kitchen, this trash can actually came from Amazon. I love it. It works really well. The only thing I would recommend is to get something sticky on the bottom of it so that way it doesn't scoop, because as you can see, it's been marking up my wall. So I'm going to have to touch up paint that. This bar cart was actually a housewarming gift from my sister-in-law, Brittany. And this is the way that I decorated it. I actually got this Never Chase Anything But Drinks and Dreams from Aldi, and I love the fact that you can flip it over and it says sip and repeat. So these things I actually got from Burlington. I use them for tequila and whiskey, and I can't remember where I got this from, but I thought this was pretty clever. When you take a shot and then it has like the bullet in it, you get it, shots or get shot. And then this is my newest addition to this bar cart. My hookah, and then the little mouthpieces for my hookah. So I actually got this hookah from Amazon. And I love it. And it's cute. And they got all the different colors. So if you all want to know where to find all this stuff, most of it came from Amazon. And I will have my Amazon storefront linked below. This is the slot where all of my wine bottles go. And then this plant I actually got from Burlington. And then these wine glasses I either brought with me or they were gifted. I really can't remember. But this is my bar cart, y'all. Looking a little bare. Next, take a look at this acrylic dining table, y'all. First of all, I love it because it's a high top and these cute acrylic chairs. I just love it. This is something that's not really new. It came from my old place. I originally only had 2 of these acrylic chairs, but I ordered 2 more now that I have a home and I have more space. And I freaking love this table, y'all. Now, do I eat at it a lot? No, mostly my son eats at it. Me, I'll eat at it sometimes, but I mostly eat at my bar. But I just think this is so cute, y'all. And I feel like when you have glass and when you have chrome, it just really never goes out of style. Like, it's timeless. Moving on, over here we have some decor pieces. I have my Aisha Curry cookbook that I have yet to make recipes out of, but I need to because she has a lot of good recipes in there. Then I have my little plants that I got from Target, these little cute lollipop looking plants. So next we have our coffee station where I make my infamous coffee reels. So a lot of this stuff came from the Target dollar section. Coffee machine came from HEB. And then this actually was given to me, the Everything Gets Better with Coffee sign. Back in the living room, I did add LED lights to my TV. I also added this rug from Amazon. It's giving marble and it has all of the colors I would like, the grays, the gold, and the white. It matches that picture I showed you earlier perfect. I actually bought these 2 footstools from DD's Discount, as well as that picture I showed you earlier. It's velvet, so it matches my couches perfectly as far as material and color. Now this couch did come with 3 pillows, and I did buy these marble gray, white, and gold pillowcases from Shein. I really think they match my rug perfectly. Now here's a close-up. It fits kind of loose, so I do want to buy some new pillows from Amazon a tad bit bigger to bring out this pillowcase and just make it look way better. But for now, this is what I have. For all of y'all who know me, y'all know I love fur. So when I saw these fur pillows from Shein, I just had to get them, okay? I just had to. And I'm definitely gonna be looking for a fur throw to accent these pillows as well. But yeah, like I said, they're from Shein, and I feel like this color definitely brings out this same color in the rug too. Editing me here. Excuse this goofy screenshot, But I forgot to do an outro for this video. But I really hope you all enjoyed this video and got to see a few of the updates I've made to this home. I have made more updates as far as the nursery is concerned, but that's going to be a whole separate video. So y'all look forward to seeing that. But as always, if you all enjoyed this video, please click that like button. Also leave a comment down below as far as what your thoughts are on some of the decor updates that I have made. Also, do not forget to click that link down in my description box for that light that I showed you earlier. And remember to use that discount code so that way you can get 15% off. For those of you who are new to my channel, remember to go ahead and click that subscribe button because, baby, I told you you're gonna want to stay. I told you you're gonna want to stay. But until next time, peace.
Kinda like you, up against the wall.